Don't throw away your broken shoes just yet, because there's a simple trick. Almost no one knows this method can fix cracks and make them strong again, like new. The surprising part, the materials are already around you, and the result is beyond what you'd expect. Now, take a closer look at this part of the shoe. This is the area we're going to fix. You can clearly see where it's starting to come apart and needs attention before it gets worse. First step, smooth out the separated area of the shoe. Gently sand the section between the midsole and the upper, so the surface becomes even and ready for repair. And here are the simple materials. We'll use styrofoam transformed with a certain liquid into a super strong glue. Place the styrofoam into the cup filled with the liquid and watch the reaction. Within seconds, it begins to shrink and transform. This is where the magic happens. Once you've reached the desired amount, stir it slowly until everything is fully combined. Make sure the texture is even to get the best result when applied. This is the gluing stage using the mixture we prepared earlier. Apply it evenly to the parts of the shoe that need bonding, making sure every area is well covered for a strong and long-lasting result. And at this stage, I'll need the help of a clamp to keep the bonded parts firmly in place while it dries. And also a piece of wood that I specifically made to press from the inside of the shoe, ensuring both sides bond together firmly and precisely. Once it feels firmly bonded, we move to the final step. Enhance the look with shoe polish, so it appears neat and looks like new again. After that, let it dry under the sun for a while to perfect the result. Allow it to fully set so the bond becomes as strong as possible. And this is the final result of our repair. Hope it helps anyone facing the same problem. The result is really strong as long as the drying process is done properly. No need to spend a lot of money or go to a repair shop, just use this simple method.